In this video, I will show you how to turn off or disable Amazon Garage Delivery. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your smartphone or go to the Amazon website on your computer. Make sure you are logged in with the account that has Garage Delivery enabled. Next, go to your account. In the app, this is usually under the person icon, and on the website, it's under the account menu. Look for Amazon Key or delivery preferences in your account settings. This is where all your delivery options, including garage delivery, are managed. Once you are in Amazon Key or delivery settings, find the section called In Garage Delivery or Garage Delivery Settings. Here, you should see a toggle or an option that shows whether garage delivery is active. To disable it, simply turn off the toggle or select Disable. This will immediately stop Amazon from delivering packages to your garage. After this, all eligible orders will go back to standard doorstep delivery unless you enable garage delivery again in the future. You can also manage garage delivery on a per-order basis. When you check out, look for the delivery options and make sure in-garage delivery is not selected for that specific order. It's a good idea to check your notifications. Amazon may send you a confirmation email or app alert confirming that garage delivery has been turned off. Before you go, a quick tip for online security. When managing smart home devices or delivery settings, it's a good idea to use a trusted VPN. I recommend NordVPN, which keeps your connection private and secure. You can find a link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.